The multiplication rule of counting is an important one. The idea here is simple. If one task can be done in a number of different ways n1, a second task, given the first, can be done in n2 ways. A third task given the first two tasks can be done in n3 ways. And so on for k tasks. Then the number of ways the k tasks can be done is n1 times n2 times n3 until we reach nk. For example, suppose we have 3 steps to value a certain company. The first step can be done in 3 ways, the second in 2 ways, and the third in 5 ways. Therefore, the full valuation can be done in 3 times 2 times 5, which is equal to 30 ways. Now, what if we want to assign a number of analysts to complete an equal number of tasks inside a company? For instance, if we have 4 analysts and 4 different tasks, in how many ways can we assign each analyst to do a task? The first analyst can do any of the 4 different tasks, then we are left with 3 unallocated tasks. The second analyst can do any of these 3 tasks. We will be left with 2 analysts and 2 different tasks. The third analyst can do any of the 2 remaining tasks, then 1 task remains. The fourth and final analyst is only left with 1 task to do. Then the total number of ways we can assign the analysts to do the different tasks is equal to 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is 24 ways. For n analysts, the number of different assignments is n times n-1 times n-2, until we reach 1. This is n factorial, denoted by n exclamation mark. Note that by convention 0 factorial is equal to 1. Find the full counting principles video on www.cognivisio.com.